Need a quick printable maze for kids, content, or client packs? Canva's Activities Maker lets you build one instantly. No graphic tools or third-party sites needed. Here's how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to Brandocally. So for today's series, I'm going to show you how to create a quick maze in Canva. So if you haven't watched my Canvas Activities Maker, like crossword and word search, just click the link down below. Let's go. And we're back to our blank space here in Canvas. So what we want here is just go to apps, search in Activities Maker, and we click this first one and this one right here. Now, as you can see, I tackled before the word search and crossword. Now I'm gonna tackle the maze part. So if you want a fun activity to your children, if you're a teacher, to your class, so Canva has it for you. So we have here just a very simple tool right here. Then when you click this one, you have number of rows, number of columns, answer key path color, path thickness, entry and exit points, and even the point radius. Now, we want to try and click the generate multiple puzzles. For example, I have like 3 children and I want like all of them have a different puzzles. I'm gonna put it in here. So we could have add all puzzles in one page. Add all answer keys at the end. No, I think that's enough for me. Now let's generate this one. So you can see here we already have one right here, and automatically there's 2 and there's 3 and another one here. Okay, let's check it out. 5. Okay, it's giving me all the answers and also the printable ones. Let's just zoom this out just a little bit. Okay, we have right here page 2 and also the answer sheets right here. And there you go. Page 4, page 5, page 6. So you may want to print this one out, this one, and this one. So it's just a little jumble, but you are going to print all of this or just the quiz one. And as easy as that, you have a maze that you can play with when you're bored, or you can ask your niece, nephew, or anyone that you want to have a play with this. Your maze is done, and it's fully editable inside Canva. You can style it, resize it, or add it to a full worksheet. That wraps up our puzzle series, but there's more Canvas magic coming your way. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.